in this video, we're gonna solve a most common problem on the Dodge Chargers and Challengers. It's the active valve rattle. Every Charger, every Challenger eventually gets this weird rattle. It's super annoying. It sounds cheap. You don't wanna pull up to a car meet or to a date sounding like this. Sounds horrible, all right? So basically we have a great solution for this. It's basically bypassing the actual valves, getting rid of the valve itself, popping these simulators on there so you don't get a check engine light. Now basically what we're doing is just cutting these out and then putting some 3-inch pipe in there, getting rid of the butterfly completely. And this is a guaranteed solution to no check engine light and no more rattle. So this is that noise you guys are hearing. All right, as you can see, there's a butterfly valve in here. Super annoying. Not cool, guys. All right, I don't know why Dodge does this. It's super common. Every Charger we've ever worked on eventually has this weird rattle. All right, we're bypassing it, solving customers' problems out here. All right, guys, all set. Got the valves deleted, got the simulators plugged in. Basically did this little bypass right here, reset the hangers. Basically got these valve simulators right here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're tucked up in there so they don't drag, they don't get loose. Got the zip ties on there. Same thing on this side. Valve simulated. 3-inch pipe bypassed. New hanger set again on this side. No more rattle, guys. Eliminate the rattle on your Dodge Charger. Do you have a rattle? Do you have a rattle on your Dodge Charger? Do your exhaust sound cheap, broken, inconsistent, inconspicuously broken? All right, guys, check it out. No more rattle. Listen to this thing. Come on. No more rattle. Sounds like a V8 now. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. No more rattle, guys. Problem solved. Myth busted. For all you myth busters out there. Done, son. Gexhaust.com.
Go ahead.